News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, all the heavy rain, heavy storms right now are well northwest of the area. Here's our viewing area. There's Lafayette, and you can see the heavy storms up around Chicago. Good news is that's where most of the heavy rain is going to be tonight. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm overnight or into tomorrow morning. Best chance here in our northwestern half of the viewing area. Then we have a break for a while where the sun is out. We've got some clouds around. It warms up to the mid-80s by 1. But showers and storms will begin developing at that point, and they're going to pass through in the afternoon and during the evening hours. And can't even rule out a couple or a few isolated severe storms mixed up in that area-wide. Main threat would be wind, though tornado, brief weak tornado and hail, lesser threats, and the risk of some flash flooding as some of these storms put out a quick 2 inches of rain on soils that are already pretty moist to wet from the rain we had earlier today. So on Sunday, the showers and storms will be confined to the morning, and they'll be scattered. Then we get the sun out. It's another breezy to windy, warm, humid day with a high of 83 degrees. So tomorrow's a high in caution. There'll be a window mainly morning to very early afternoon where you can perhaps mow the yard. Then it's storm action on from there, from that point forward. It's yellow on Sunday due to morning rainfall, but fine Monday as we dry out. So the greatest disruption for the weekend will be tomorrow afternoon and evening from storms. It's nil Monday and very low Tuesday. So overnight into tomorrow morning, let's see when's the best time to go to the feast? When's the best time to go outside? Let's look at the clock here. Here's 5:30 in the morning. Notice a couple isolated showers and storms. Best chance right here in our northwestern counties. You can see here at 8 a.m. where are the showers and storms. Just a few up here, but they're in the northwest half of the viewing area. Then we get a break. There's really nothing going on at 10:30. There's nothing going on at noon, or really, I think right up to 12:30, 12:45 we're fine, but things start to fire up in the afternoon. This is 4 o'clock, and here we are at 6. Notice the storms lined up, and these little cores may have the risk of some isolated severe weather. That's 7 o'clock. This is 8. Finally, 9:30, still showers and storms around, and still some rainfall around Sunday morning before we dry out in the afternoon. So from tonight through tomorrow night, and Sunday morning, we may get another 2 inches of rain in Attica, 2.5 at Monticello towards Lafayette and Logansport. Lesser amounts likely in the south, but heaviest amounts in the heart of the area and northward. So after 2 inches of rain today in places, we may get another 2 over about the next 36 hours, 2.5 more inches. So that's going to lead to some flash flooding. 7-day forecast, 86 and dry, but humid on Monday, humid Tuesday, widespread rainfall coming in Wednesday, lasting into early Thursday, and then sharply cooler, 40 degrees on Friday morning.
All right, thanks, Chad.
Sure.
Have you been paying higher prices at the pump? Well, you're not alone.